We are making videos about getting a deeper understanding about the world that we are living in.
Yes, this week's video is spotlighting a beautiful woman named Katni. She is the first ever woman to climb the volcano out here in Lombok, and she started an association for young women to get them out of the houses, not just cooking, not just cleaning, but
showing the people that women can do more than just stay in the house and cook and clean and do the basic things that they're expected to do.
Exactly. So we're going to go into detail with interviews with her. We're going trekking with her in an hour. Stay tuned. We are also going to be talking a little bit about the Indonesian government and how they have completely abandoned Lombok.
I start to be a guide when I'm 15 years old because I see many people doing the trekking to mountain journey, and that's make my inspiration to be a guide. But my parents, my family, my brother, they said, oh, it's not allowed women to go up the mountain, that's too hard. But I don't care, but I feel, oh, I can do. So I want to support myself, also not just waiting my parents, but I want to help myself. I can support my children go to the university, and I can benefit the woman also to be good. My name is Katni. I come from Women Guide Association in Senaru. People, just few women. The first is me alone, about 10-15% without education, but we just confident to be guide. And then I invite the woman to come to the group, I mean to the organization.
I met with Katni when she's guiding.
I training just 2 months or 3 months, and then she will best guide.
I'm still learning.
Depends, she's still pregnant before. Seem like me also. I just rest for 1 month or 2 months, and then I do guiding. I just my baby is little. Yeah, because when the first time I be guide, not many women help me. The father stay. Maybe or mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Mother-in-law is a help also. We can help each other.
So you were pregnant, and then the earthquake happened, and then you have to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
And at this point, the hospital is almost leveled itself, and so you had to give birth in the tent.
And then at night the earthquake comes, so when I'm very hurt, so like someone told me, hey, I don't come, it's okay.
Katni usually does tours that involve climbing Mount Rinjani, but because it's closed right now, the government has declared it not safe for the next couple of months. We have taken a new course. We are out here with the rice paddies exploring one of the other tours she does, which is a local tour. She walks from the volcanoes to the rice paddies to the farmers, and we just got here and it's really amazing. They're picking the weeds out.
Yeah.
I got this grasshopper, 20 insects.
I just ate an insect. Look at her bag stash. Okay, I have to be, I can get it. I see one right there. You guys see it? Okay. Damn it. Got one, I got one. It's for lunch for the farmers. Because we came out here and we're filming the farmers, Katni feels like it is the kind thing to do to start collecting grasshoppers for the farmers to eat for lunch. That is something common that I did not know. I just tried one myself and it was absolutely delicious. It tasted really, really spicy, like literally like I just put a spice in my mouth. Like so unexpected and really incredible. We just finished up with our rice field excursion and we're here talking with Katni about the tourism industry in Lombok and how the earthquakes have affected the climbing and the tourism on Mount Rinjani.
Why they close? We have to renovation the park because after the earthquake, many landslide. Rinjani is often is Lombok is safe. Yeah.
And while it's closed,
Totally is paralyzed if not open the tourism. The farmers, the hotel, the warungs, the market, all the community. Everything's done. Yeah, it's difficult if not the so.
Joko Widodo, the president of Indonesia, promised these people up to 50 million rupiah in helping them repair their homes. You get a certain amount of rupiah depending on how much damage you have. But we have passed out donations. We've taken donations in the past videos, the last 3 days. And the deeper understanding that we were trying to get a hold of was, have people received any funds from the government? Is this a rumor? Is this true? Has anyone received anything? The final answer, and the answer we were hoping was not true, was no.
I don't get money from the government.
Nothing.
Nothing. Cuman rekening doang. It's only the books, but no money there. He tried to the bank, but bank say, oh, why? I don't think the government have money, you know. They just writing from the news, from any people say, oh, you will have money, 50 million, but like 7 months now, it's like nothing, you know. 4 months ago.
Was it the government or was it outside
by the
donation?
Big problem with the money. They just borrow the money from the World Bank,
Yeah.
but 5,000 trillions.
It's crazy because the government came and started to build this, and then they just left. It's been half built for about 6 months now. They don't want to continue building on it because it's actually just not even as safe as like the house that they have originally built.
People don't want to rebuild their houses with cement. It's cheap. It's the cheapest option, but it's the most dangerous option if another earthquake took place. So people want to build their houses with bamboo, but bamboo is more expensive. If the government comes and starts to rebuild your home or wants to help, maybe, then they're going to choose the cheapest option to build your home with, and they're going to choose cement. The government came, they started to build this house 6 months ago, they left, didn't finish it, left the cement sitting here. These locals do not want a cement house. It's too dangerous and the repercussions are horrendous. So to conclude all the information we've gathered, it seems to us that the government doesn't want to put money into an area that is at such high earthquake risk. But if that's true, they shouldn't have promised millions of rupiah to people with damaged homes. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I have a new wardrobe thanks to this beautiful woman over here. Please subscribe and don't miss a deeper understanding next Sunday. Do you have any final words for the camera?
Now is Lombok already safe. Please come and join the Rinjani Woman Adventure at Senaru village. Time for women to do the work. Not only men can do, also women can do it.
Next week we are going to be finding a deeper understanding, I think, about ourselves. Q&A maybe?
Ooh,
Q&A?
man.
If you have questions, please send them in. We will answer them.
We're here for you.